All right, I'm about to show you how to do our 90-90 position, and we're going to add our hamstring isometric or our heel drag. We're going to take that and then progress it to adding a little bit of like an elevated bridge with it, not very high, but just again to get that kind of low grade hamstring isometric to start with. Retraining the hamstring to help with pelvic repositioning for our posture correction series. So we're going to get into our 90-90 position. We're going to lay on our back with our feet on the wall. Now, if you're on your back and that you have a big gap or an arch and you can't get rid of it by repositioning your body, you may need initially some pillows or a yoga mat or something tucked underneath the shoulder to prop up the shoulders a little bit to help you flatten your back. All right, so we're going to get into 90-90 position, feet on the wall. And what you're going to do is we're going to first establish our 360-degree breath. In with the nose, feeling the chest and the belly expanding. And we want to feel the side of the ribs expanding on the inhale. And we also want to feel some back expansion with the inhale too. So we're going to add that heel drag. What you're going to do is, without moving your feet, you're going to get that sensation. We're going to activate the hamstring by pushing the feet down the wall. Think that you're attempting to almost like bend your knee, but because we're not really allowing the feet or the knees to go anywhere, the hamstrings, which attach at the bottom of your pelvis, will slowly start to tip the sacrum up, and you'll feel the low back flatten. Glutes stay relaxed the entire time, so you may need to kind of go and kind of jiggle them a little bit to make sure that they're staying, for the most part, like soft and squishy, because it's all going to be through the hamstring and that heel drag. You're going to take like that nice breath in. And as you add that heel drag in and we feel that sacrum and pelvis tilting, you should feel that it's a little bit easier to get that body expansion as you're breathing. We're going to hold that heel drag for 30 to 60 seconds before we allow ourselves to relax. Okay? So to add a little bit of a bridge to this, all you're going to do is, everything is the same. Glutes stay relaxed. We want to focus on our body expansion with our breath. We're going to add that heel drag in. The pelvis starts to tip. The low back just gently flattens. And we're going to add a little bit of extra power into the hamstring. Glutes still stay relaxed. And we're going to try to get the pelvis to lift and roll up using the hamstring. Just enough, maybe like half an inch, just enough that maybe I can slide my hand underneath my butt a little bit. I don't need to go very high. And then the same thing, I'm going to breathe into it. Nice inhale, feel the expansion, and then a full exhale. And I'm going to hold this heel drag, that hamstring isometric, for about 30 to 60 seconds. So that is our 90-90 position with our heel drag progressed into a little bit of a bridge. Okay.